Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to change pin in your save folder by Google File Manager. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google File Manager on your Android phone. And then for you to change your save folder pin, this is a save folder pin right here. How can you change your pin? So what you need to do is to simply click on the three slider from the top right here. So click on that. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings right here. Then after click on settings, it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on save folder. So under the save folder right here, you have change lock right here. So for that, go ahead and click on change lock. Once you click on change lock, this allows you to enter your new pin. Enter your new pin, confirm the new pin, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.